Do you want to see better at night? From this to this? Then you need some LED light bulbs. This is the original headlight housing on the car, and we're going to change it to the LED version, and this is what it looks like after. It's so much brighter. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're adding the LED to the headlight that we finished earlier. So Auxito, they sent me this for an honest review, and let's see if this is worth the hype and see if this is worth the money for you to spend on upgrading LED headlights on your car. So the first thing I see is these cotton gloves. These are really helpful and keep your hand not dirty while trying to replace the LED bulbs, and it also comes with instructions for different kinds of bulb depending on your situation, and different kind of brands of cars and different kinds of headlights housing and bulb sizes. So it's really helpful, and these are made with aircraft aluminum, so they disperse the heat a lot better. And right here it's the integrated fan, so it keeps the headlight more cool. And this is the 9003, which includes the low beam and high beam together. So this is like a 2 bulb in one, and this is the bulb that fits on the car that I'm gonna replace it in. So first thing we're gonna take off is the original headlight on the car. So right now I'm gonna have to take off the headlight on the car. It's a bit tough because there's limited space. So let's unplug headlight first. Alright, here's our plug. It's off. Is this supposed to be like that? I'm not sure. Let's check out the bulb. It should be like 2 pins that's holding it off the dust shield. The dust shield. It's holding by this spring right here. So let's take off the headlight bulb. There's not much space on HCRV, but there's the original bulb. Compare it to the LED. Alright, let's put this in. Put it in like this direction with the top, the 3 prong, the one on the top is facing on the top. So let's see, let's try it. First time I'm putting on the bulb on the CRV because it's not my car. Okay, and then we put the retaining clip. Alright, let's put this pin in this place. Alright, I put the pin back in. It's really hard to see, but I can show you on the other side. So once we finish with this one, we can do the other side. The heck, there's no space here. I hope you can see this this spring mechanism is like holding it on by that little clip here. Let me give you a better angle. just put this back in like this way. Make sure the spring it's out of the way first. Get that out of the way. Now we can put it on there and line up the tap and like that. Now we can put the spring. Oops. Hold on. The spring got caught on here. Let's put this back one more time. In here like that. In like that, and put the spring and latch it onto that thing right there. Yeah, latch it like this, and this is all secure. So I'm wondering if you need to put the dust shield back on that. And probably not, because I don't see the fan on here, but maybe the fan is on the outside. In there. Yeah, I think it's in there, the fan. So I think you do need to put the dust shield back on. I wonder if this gets really hot or not. But I'll let you guys know if it gets hot or if this is actually worth getting, because the construction is pretty good. They use like aircraft aluminum, so it disperses the heat a lot better this way. But yeah. And where's that? Oh, right here. Okay, now we connect this back in. Yep, there it is. So here is the before and after. This is the cutoff of the OEM headlights. It's yellow, and this is the cutoff for the LED. It's so much brighter, and I'm surprised that the cutoff is so much crisp, and it's not blinding a lot of people, and it gives you that white new car look to the car, and it just makes your car looks a lot better and see a lot better at night. And this is the OEM headlight in the road, and during nighttime you can see that the OEM headlight performs pretty good. Like for OEM headlight, you can see a lot with this bulb than any other OEM bulb. But let's see the LED. For the LED, I'm surprised that it's so much crisp and so much white, so much better at night. You can see a lot further. This is what I'm trying to turn it off and on and see what the difference is. As you can see a lot more of the row, and the cutoff, it's not as blinding as other LEDs. So I'm really surprised and happy with these LEDs that I install on the car. It just gives you that look on the car that you wanted. And the installation is really easy. It's just plug and play, and you get this brighter, whiter light come in your car. It just makes your car looks a lot more newer. And hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I will see you guys next time. Bye.